direction. Right leads to... The boat has to make some important deliveries. Would you wind up the bridge so it can pass? Great! Your engine loves your train set. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for that giant beam of light. Boilers. Some sheep have wandered off from the farm. Can you help by super? Your engine was... Help your engine find the surprise pack. Where should we go next? Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. Excellent! Just slice across it or tap it to open. The passengers have all reached their destination, and thank you very much. Choose a direction. Forward leads to... leads to the Boulder Cliffs. This adventure box contains a unique engine. The pig farm is near. Go! Go! Left leads to Waterslide Mountain. Forward leads to the super. Just slice across it or tap it to open. Left leads to... leads to Henry's Tunnel. Left leads to Water. Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Oh no! Looks like the tunnel has collapsed. Can you help piece it all back together? Great! Your engine loves your train set. leads to... Cow Farm is coming up. Forward leads to the town square. The Cow Farm is coming up. Bubbling boilers. Some sheep have wandered off from the farm. Well done. Your engine loves your train set. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Super! Just slice across it or tap it to open. The boat has to make some important deliveries, but you wind up the bridge so it can pass. Excellent! Your engine loves your train set. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Choose a direction. Left, lead. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Only the boldest of engines will try Crazy Coaster Mountain. Steer your engine through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right. Excellent! Great! Your engine had a lot of fun. That's the way. Just slice across it or tap it to open. Where should we go next? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We need to send the other engines on their way. Use the wheel to spin the turntable. That's the way. Just excellent. Thanks for helping your engine out. Find your way to the surprise pack. Look for the giant beam of light. Choose a direction. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Super! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Left leads to the Knapford station is just ahead. Excellent! Just slice across it or tap it to open.